My name is Karen Stanko and I'm with Remax Real Estate, and I've been selling real estate here in Edmonton and surrounding area for 17 years. So come with me while I tour you through this $2 million home. You can tell me and comment below whether you think it's really worth $2 million. I'm here in Westbrook Estate in one of Edmonton's luxury neighborhoods, backing on to Derrick Golf Course, also home of a very exclusive country club. This is a 3,500 square foot home. We've got 4 bedrooms up, 1 bedroom in the fully finished basement, and plenty of natural light and this lovely office space and some really cool features that you might want to be looking for in a $2 million home. But let me know whether you think this is all worth it. So we have a 2-piece ensuite here. We have this huge area, a lot of room for your shoes, and even, surprise, surprise, a walk-in closet. We have a nice walk-through pantry, a coffee station, plenty of room for storage. Of course, at around $2 million, we would expect nice marble countertops, marble backsplash, very contemporary, but elegant as well. A massive fridge, perfect for entertaining. We also have a waterfall countertop and tons of south-facing natural light. A big patio here backing onto the golf course, a gas fireplace, floor-to-ceiling windows, and really high ceilings in this property. So here we are on the second floor. Of course, the fixtures are elegant and contemporary. We got this massive bonus room. If you like to chill out or entertain in the summertime, this is a great spot. This area was a little bit of a sleepy hollow before. It's got wide roads, beautiful mature trees, and a ton of properties that have been demolished and infilled, 3,500 square feet up to about 5,000 to 6,000 square feet. I even heard that one of the houses, which I'd love to be able to tour, has a full basketball court inside its home. Huge primary bedroom. And of course, a luxurious spa-like ensuite, heated bathroom floors, and of course, you've got a beautiful California closet, which is really nicely tied together with a laundry room right off the ensuite. Moving on into this 3,500 square feet above grade home, we have a full office space den. 1 bedroom additional, another bedroom here with a Jack and Jill bathroom, which is all the rage right now. His and her sinks, and then a water closet essentially with a full bathtub. A lot of people are moving towards this because then their kids can get ready. They've got 2 different sinks, one person can be showering, and then moving on is, voila, the 4th bedroom up here. The big attraction to this home and Westbrook area is Westbrook School, which is named #1 in all of the city. So here we are downstairs. The flooring's changed. It's not hardwood down here, but it's vinyl plank. It matches perfectly from upstairs. It has a custom bar in here, perfect for entertaining, beautiful porcelain countertops. You can have games room, anything in here, and really high, big windows. This basement also has storage space, a big bedroom down here. It's perfect for teenagers or whoever you're having over as guests. A 4-piece bathroom, in-floor heating. But now that you've toured it, what do you think the value should be? Is Edmonton overpriced? Or do you think that this is great value? Where you're coming from? Are you coming from a different province where prices have skyrocketed, like Ontario or BC? My name is Karen Stanko and I've been a realtor for over 17 years in the Edmonton and surrounding area. So if you are looking to make a move or you're curious about other property values or investing in the Edmonton area, I've got tons of videos on that. Please comment below and subscribe because I'm curious, what do you think $2 million should be worth in a northern Canadian city? Karen Stanko with Remax. Catch you on the next one. Thanks for joining me.